welcome back to my channel. So today I'm with Sunny Beauty. I'm gonna link her channel down below if you guys can subscribe to my friend, please and thank you. She's on her journey to 50K. So that would be amazing.
Shanae too, okay? Little backstory, her channel got deleted, okay? So make sure you guys subscribe to her channel.
That's a next story time that I should do one day.
But we're doing a video today and I'm so excited to be on Shanae's channel. Woo! Hey Shanae's family!
So this should be part 2. Our first video is on her channel and we tried the Becca Zero foundation, the no pigment foundation.
So see what we felt, how we felt about that foundation on
I'll
my channel.
put the link below. And in this video we're going to be trying the new Laura Mercier, the yellow one. So we're going to see if it works for darker skin tone today. I'm a little darker than she is, so we'll see.
So we got 2 melanin ladies in this video, so you guys get to see what's going on. Yes.
So I already started doing my foundation.
So I'm gonna catch up because I didn't know we were, you know. So I'm gonna I'm gonna catch up to Shanae. Okay. What foundation are you using?
Oh, I'm using the Fenty Longwear Pro Matte.
Okay.
I think this is 440.
And I'm gonna be using
450.
I'm gonna use my MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof NC50. Always use it. But yes. Oh, well, you guys already know that anyway. We primed already, guys. So
we primed with the Becca Zero Pigment Foundation, which is not a foundation, FYI.
yeah.
It should just be a primer, to be honest.
Yes. So you guys can check out our initial reaction, but that was not a foundation. So don't even waste your coins.
Not at all. No, ma'am.
Don't waste your coins, guys.
It does blur and hydrate. I'll give it that.
Yes. On to concealer. Okay, I'm gonna use the same concealer as you.
I'm using the Too Faced, my favorite concealer, Chestnut.
Ooh, I'm using the Too Faced as well. I'm using the shade Butterscotch.
Mine is almost finished, so I literally have to scrape.
I'm late to the game, guys, so I literally just started using this like last week.
She has a video on her channel about it.
Yes. I'm so late, but this concealer is like so good.
And the other hot new releases, she does everything.
Yes, check it out.
I literally ask her, what are you doing this week?
Cause I'm always checking Trendmood. I swear to God, Trendmood is like where it's at.
The plug.
You need to know what's coming up. If you want to know, they have all the deets.
I'm running out of concealer, but that's fine.
Yes. What shade do you use? Chestnut, you said?
Chestnut, yeah.
I feel like maybe I can even use chestnut too.
I feel like it'll blend in with you. It won't do anything.
Yes.
Just scraping the bottle, fun times.
How long did it last you? Cause
long time.
Yeah, I was like this.
I want to say I bought this in winter. It's August now.
And it's lasted forever.
And it's huge.
Yeah, it's so big. It's like what, 15 ml?
Yeah, it's huge. I use too much powder.
Oh, it looks like dry. That's probably the main reason why I don't really bake. Okay, my face is looking a little wild, I know, but okay, let me maybe spray my sponge too. It's a little bit too full cover right now. But I what was I gonna say? Powder. Oh, I don't really bake too much because I feel like I look dry whenever I actually bake, like bake and let it sit and set in.
But I feel like we're in summer, so like you kind of have to bake.
Yeah.
Because like we're
That
forever
too.
outside for so long.
That too. I'm always torn between baking and not baking. Or just dabbing, I don't know.
I do a little bit of both. I think I dab with the Laura Mercier and then I bake with a Huda.
Okay. I want to try that Huda one.
It's really nice.
Or
To bake or not to bake?
I know that is the question.
To bake or not to bake?
Okay, so this is the Laura Mercier translucent honey. So I guess the difference is that it's a little bit more yellow, more golden. So me and Shanae figured we will try it on our complexions to see like what the difference is.
Yeah.
Obviously everyone knows the translucent one, the regular, the original, because the staple, everybody uses it. But sometimes it's a little bit too like casty, so we will try the honey.
Translucent honey sets for medium skin tones. That's all it says. Yeah, and they updated it to translucent medium deep is for medium deep to deep skin tones, and translucent is perfect for fair to medium skin tones. I'll add the little picture here.
Interesting. I feel like, I don't know.
And it has a little shade chart to show you your skin and which one you should use. So we'll see.
We will see. Because I really liked the translucent, the original.
Love it.
So good, right? But I feel like a little hint of yellow might make a difference. So
yeah, almost like towards Sasha Buttercup.
Yes.
For darker skin tones.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
So let's see how this will go on us. So I'm going to use a brush to apply.
I'll use a sponge.
Yes.
I don't know where I got this. I think I got this in my BoxyCharm, but I love that it's a straight tip.
Okay, so. Oh, she's big.
I like it. I'm blending it in. I'm not gonna bake too much. Already it gives me a nice subtle. It's not too light and it's not too dark. I feel like they really needed this in between the dark and the light.
I didn't even try the dark. Did you try the dark one before?
I have the dark. I
Okay.
think I have it, but it's too dark almost. Like I use that to define my contour, if anything. I don't use that to bake under my eyes. Yeah.
No.
Because the regular, if I bake under my contour, it give me like a cast.
I thought that, I've never tried the darker one because I thought if I use it, it would look like my skin tone.
Yeah.
So I was like, forget it. I'm not even gonna bother, you know? But this one looks pretty nice. I like it. I like it.
Let's try it here. Let's see what happens.
And I've been using the Fenty setting powder for a while, and I don't know. I used to use Laura Mercier, and I was telling Shanae earlier, I still use my Fenty when I like it and everything, but it's just not finishing. Like, I want it to finish so I can try other things. So
You're better than me. I have no willpower. I'll buy before it's finished.
It's funny because like I'll do that with everything else, but this powder, like the translucent powders, I'm just like, oh my god, like how much?
I have like 4 translucent powders.
Yeah. And for me, I only have multiple because I do the reviews. If not, I would have only had my Fenty one and that's it.
So there we go.
Okay, so let's see. Well, 2 different effects because I applied with a brush, Shanae applied with a sponge. So this is what's going on right now.
So far, I like it.
Yeah, I like it.
It's giving me a nice, not too light, not too dark.
Yes.
It's not blended in yet though.
Yeah.
So
once we finish setting the rest of our face and everything, and then we'll be snatched up and get it.
The Black Radiance.
I used to always use this, but
because they finally came out with a darker one for me.
Here's the thing.
I go to the States to get
I was gonna say that's why I haven't tried it in a while because I haven't been to the States in a while. But I'm using my Beauty Bakery brownie bar palette.
I wanted to try that.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna go with the 2 shades. I'm gonna come down but I like using both at the same time. Get rid of my forehead. What is happening here? You know what? Let me just... Okay, first I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my mascara eyes. There we are. But you're looking like the snatch is coming. It's coming! Trust the process. Don't put it in those. Okay, so I'm gonna set with my mascara eyes powder. In dark. I feel like nose contour is not for everybody, so don't judge me please. I feel what I prefer. I don't have anything to really contour. Like, I want clean contour. I don't. I think in another video I'm gonna try that. I don't know where all my darker concealers went. I'm just gonna push this all away. I'm gonna use my MAC Duct Mineralized Finish. Mineralized Finish is worth that. Okay. I think you actually just got this for me. Okay, now I'm gonna use my contour. I think I have to do it in a reverse way. I was like, sometimes I do it right. Oh yeah, I have to set my face and then go in with the contour shade. So, oh no. Yeah, I'm gonna
Use this one, whatever.
Yeah, already I feel like I look smoother. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I updated Laura Mercier. Maybe mine is a little expired.
Oh, did you have your Laura Mercier for a while?
Yeah. So I feel like this looks so much smoother. And blurred. This is what Rebecca should have done.
Her skin looks legit like,
it looks so
like
blurred.
poreless.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Let me see if I look poreless too. Because maybe it's the Becca.
Oh, maybe.
Interesting.
Maybe. That might just be it.
That is a good observation.
Let's start with my blush. I got this in BoxyCharm. I don't know. Sorry. I feel like BoxyCharm's good for Canadians because then we get a lot of clutch stuff that they won't ship to Canada.
Oh, is that what happens? Oh, this is so pretty.
Right?
What the?
I was so happy when I got this.
No, I actually like that. That looks so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some more of my contour shade. Again. Okay, yes. Nice and rosy.
Yeah, right?
I like this actually.
I would never have thought to buy that. That's what I like about BoxyCharm sometimes.
Because you get stuff where you would have never like...
You're forced to try, yeah.
I like this. I like this. I don't have much blush, so that's why I'm like, yes, I like this.
Yeah, me neither.
I literally wear the same blush every single time. Raisin.
I don't even know where mine is.
And then the highlighter I'm going to use is the same one from the Beauty Bakery palette. And I...
Highlighter, I'm using the Artist Couture Conceited.
Oh my gosh. Why do you have all the good stuff?
Gang gang. Love it.
I'm here like, stuff I always use in my videos. Okay, I'm gonna kind of touch up my eyebrows while you do that because mine always get fuzzy. Like literally they're not even structured anymore.
Give me a little button nose, my fave. It's not for everybody. For me, I just like to make my nose disappear.
Nice.
And there we go.
Crazy, baby.
And a little bit on my cheeks.
Maybe I'll contour my nose a little bit. Just a teeny bit.
I'm influencing you.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I got too much highlight.
Okay, so I'm just gonna contour with the same palette. I find that cream contour gives you more of a snatched look. So
yeah, for sure.
I could use powder all I want. I'm not gonna be like super snatched.
We're back. We finished our faces, put on some lashes and our lips, and we set our face. And I just want to say, I think the honey is bomb.
Yeah, I like it.
I love it. I don't know if it's because this is a fresh box and I've been using like a kind of old Laura Mercier for a while, but I think the yellow just...
It looks nice and it's not too gray. It doesn't make you look gray and it's not like too yellow either. I think it's like a nice soft yellow. And obviously we all know Laura Mercier's the texture of it is like amazing. So that's that. But I really like it, yeah. And I think it looks so good on Sinead too. And our skin looks super smooth.
Super blurred. There's no filters, no nothing.
Really like smooth.
I think the Becca should have been a primer and not a foundation.
Yes, honestly.
Because we didn't wipe it off, and that's what I think that's what's making our face look so smooth.
We started the video with the Becca. Like I said, if you guys want to see that video, it'll be
part 1
over on my channel. But we started with that on, and we're looking really like filtered right now. Yeah,
blurred. We look very Instagram.
Yeah, and then the combination with the powder, because you know that powder is perfecting. So
looks amazing.
Ooh. I like it.
All the products will be down below. I'll try and put all the links, and I think you should definitely try the yellow. The honey Laura Mercier. Yes. Sorry, the honey.
The honey. Translucent honey. Whatever.
It's honey. You'll look fire, honey.
Exactly. So all the melanin girls get you the honey.
Thanks so much for watching.
Bye, guys.